Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Another day, another problem. This is my car, Dodge Journey. Noticed today when I was driving, it was really hard to start driving, and even in neutral position, it was really hard braking. So I'm now here in workshop. My friend is helping me out, taking down the tire and seeing if we can do anything about it. And it looks like, what does it look like?
Someone changed brake pads and clean.
And they didn't clean what? The cylinder? This one?
Nope. This, if you take it down, it needs to be easy to take it down.
Oh, the sleeves.
Possible.
Yeah. So that's all the problem?
There, it's dust, rust.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we're gonna do a. You have light? Somewhere? Okay. Where is it? Oh, here. See. Need to clean this part to have them moving freely. Otherwise, you will end up like me, having to drive like 30 kilometers with the front wheel braking all the way down.
We need to change discs.
Now I need to change the disc, the brake disc, and brake pads. Oh, nice.
And both of them.
Both sides?
Yep.
Man.
You can change only this side, but better you change
Both.
set both.
Yeah. So, and what about the cylinder? Does it need to be cleaned as well?
No, we're gonna check it. But
It's
in
okay.
the start we need to push the brakes, and then we're gonna see what's happened.
Oh, if it's coming out or not. Yeah.
And when it's coming out, we need to check under the
The rubber seal.
The rubber seal, yeah.
If it's
rust,
shiny or not, yeah.
if it's like this, then it's 100%. But probably it's like this.
This part rusted, right?
Yeah, need to be like this, shiny.
Okay. Nice. Well, we'll see what's going on with this one after we clean the sleeves for the brake pads.
I don't have special stuff. If I have had, then we can check how much is.
Or if it's bent or not.
Yeah.
So yeah, by driving with the brakes all the way down, you can damage the brake disc by deforming it, and then it's
And beer.
useless. We're loosening these screws to remove the bracket for the brake shoes. It's good that it's not rusted, right?
Yep, very good. always when you change the brake pads need to clean these or replace them.
Okay. Okay. So basically this all needs to be cleaned up, right? To have the brackets. Where are the brackets? Up here. So as they
Späti шара, как бы всякие.
Okay. We will now check the brake cylinder, if it's rusted or not. We will push the brakes, and it's gonna come out, and we will see if it's rusted or not. Okay, it's coming out. It's coming out. Yeah. Okay, good. Good, yeah. Stop. Well, I would say it's okay. Looks okay. What do you think?
Yeah,
It's okay?
it's fucking ceramic.
Huh?
Not that.
It's good or it's bad?
It looks like it's good, but it's not good.
Why?
It's when it's hot,
Uh-huh.
it's gonna be bigger.
It's expanding, right?
Yeah, and then it's bigger and it's going out, but it's not coming.
Back. Oh. So,
So we are a little bit in.
why? Do you think it's damaged?
Yep.
How can you tell?
If I take them out and take this measurement, 100%, I can show you. In this side it's gonna be bigger diameter, and
Yeah.
here it's gonna be smaller.
Yeah?
You see now it's 66 millimeters.
Okay.
Yeah, 66. If I take them out, it's gonna be bigger. What else we can do? No. Okay, we can try. We can take them out.
But then the oil will leak, right?
It's not the right tool what I'm gonna use, but if you are smart and you have a brain, then you can use this one.
Uh-huh. To block the pipe, right?
Yeah, you block the liquid, brake fluid.
I thought that the ceramic is not expanding. It's not affected by the heat.
Always when you change something or do something, this need to change.
The gasket?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Always. And this is very old.
Oiled oil?
Yeah.
How can you tell?
See, it's yellow, brown, almost.
How should it look?
I can show you.
Like water?
Like water?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Shiny.
Sheesh.
Okay. Yeah. %, need more, but maybe we can use something like this. You see, it's not going, but I can, if everything was okay, I need to take something like this,
Hit it.
put it here and do like this
Home.
and
Press it out. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's the solution now? Can we?
We can try to take them out, and we have a 10%
Chance that we can damage it?
No, we can put it back.
Oh, only 10%? Oh, you make me happy.
Doesn't matter. You need to change.
Okay guys, we finally managed to take out the cylinder. It's a TRW brand ceramic cylinder, and we did the measurements on this one, and across its length the diameter is the same, so this one's not damaged, so it might be still good, and it is good. Other problem is we took out the cylinder and found out that there's a rust inside the housing, so my guess is that this rust here caused the cylinder to stop moving freely in and out, and that's why it came out and never got a chance to move in, so it kept breaking the tires. So we will try to clean it as much as we can, see if it helps. Okay, be back soon with some results on this one. Okay, so we did a good rub around the here, second, and it looks a lot better than before. now, so hopefully this will do it. So there is a second gasket that goes in a second over there, and then the big gasket goes here. So here are the two samples that one of them is cleaned, second one is as it was on the bracket for the brake shoes. So one is shiny, one is not. So I will do it all four of them, and yeah, all four of them will look nice and shiny like this. And then I will clean these parts where the shoes are moving. Okay.